Chopstick packing online packing machine. All chopsticks packed individually. Chopstick flow conveyor feeding. Packed wet wipe automatic feeding. Equipped with napkin folder. Rolled napkin paper folded into slices. Texture embossed on napkin paper normally. Logo can be printed on napkin. Paper slices feeded into the conveyor chain. PLC touching screen controls and adjusts. Working all parameters. Accessories feeding timeline can be set in the system. All parameters transmit to each feeders. Each feeder operates its movement by command. Step motor and servo motor are main parts in proceeding. They can carry all command into reality. Side sealing. Also side sealing can be optional. Sealer can be chosen according to the configuration request. The machine adapts to side sealer. Packing material can be plastic or coated paper. All accessories can be packed into a bag. All bags convoyed to finished production area.